Command of the Airborne Assault Troops of the Armed Forces of Ukraine released a video of Ukrainian paratroopers blew up a Russian armored personnel carrier with a Stugna-P anti-tank guided missile. Images released by the Ukrainian military show a missile whizzing toward its target before hitting it, causing a large explosion and a plume of smoke. The footage was obtained along with a statement saying that the successful operation was carried out by the 80th Separate Airborne Assault Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, which is garrisoned in the western Ukrainian city of Lviv during peacetime. The command of the Airborne Assault Troops also said, Lviv paratroopers continue to successfully destroy Russian armored vehicles together with their crews. The video shows the effective use of the modern Ukrainian Stugna-P anti-tank guided missile system against enemy armored vehicles. The Stugna-P is a Ukrainian-built anti-tank guided missile system that was developed in the 2010s. It has even been used in at least one case to down a Russian Ka-52 attack helicopter. The command of the Airborne Assault Troops added, it should be noted that these days, the Lviv paratroopers, together with other units of the armed forces and other components of the defense forces of Ukraine, knocked out 9 Russian tanks, 7 units of other armored vehicles, 1 truck, and destroyed about 70 occupiers. APC stands for Armored Personnel Carrier, while BMPs are infantry fighting vehicles that were first used by the Soviet Union in the 1960s. The command of the Airborne Assault Troops also said, we continue to carry out combat missions and destroy the enemies of Ukraine. Death to the Russian invaders. Airborne Assault Troops always first. Glory to Ukraine. It is unclear where exactly in Ukraine the images were filmed. They were also relayed by the Office of Strategic Communications of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. In another video footage shared online in recent days, we can see the remains of what appears to be a Russian Orlan-10 unmanned aerial vehicle that was shot down by a Ukrainian soldier. Reports suggest that the drone wasn't taken down by Ukrainian anti-aircraft systems, but instead by small arms fire. This drone is a part of a Russian RB-341V Lear-3 electronic warfare system and used to locate GSM signals, then interfere with them or act as a mobile base station. In the video, Ukrainian soldiers can be heard explaining how the drone was shot down and the technical equipment found on it. The drone is designed to jam GSM signals, making it impossible to operate the drone or receive information from its sensors. Millions of dollars of military equipment can be very quickly deactivated and destroyed as a result of jamming technology, and this is precisely what Ukraine has seen throughout the conflict. A June report by Forbes revealed how experts consider Russia's jamming capabilities a big problem for the Ukrainian military, which uses the many hundreds of drones donated by the United States and other NATO countries to conduct strikes against Russian positions and perform surveillance missions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.